Create this amazing scroll bar to easily scroll on a large set of data. Just click the up and down button to scroll the data set. Come and join to learn this simple Excel trick. To start, copy the header of the existing data set. Then go to Developer tab and insert a scroll bar on Form Controls. Place the scroll bar on the right side of the header. Then right-click the scroll bar and select Format Control. On Cell Link, select F3, then click OK. On cell F5, type this formula. Then copy the formula by dragging the formula to the left up to bottom. We have now created this amazing scroll bar. Like, share, and follow for more Excel tricks.